How to add watermark to YouTube Shorts videos. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark or logo to your YouTube Shorts using CapCut. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using CapCut, but the steps are very similar in editors like Adobe Premiere Pro and others. First, open CapCut and load the YouTube Shorts video you want to watermark. At the top of the editor, tap on the Text tool, then select Add Text. A default text layer will appear on your timeline. Drag the text layer so it stretches across the entire video. This is important because we don't want the watermark disappearing halfway through the short. Now type your username or YouTube handle into the text box. For example, your channel name or something like @XYZ. Next, customize the text however you want. You can resize it, change the font, or adjust the style. A lot of creators like using the Montserrat font because it looks clean and professional. For the color, I usually recommend white because it works best as a watermark and doesn't distract viewers too much. Now, here's a very important step. Lower the opacity of the text. You don't want the watermark at 100% because it can look distracting and ruin the video. Set the opacity somewhere around 60% or 70% so it stays visible without being too aggressive. Next, position the watermark carefully. Avoid placing it at the very bottom or on the right side of the screen because that's where YouTube Shorts places the like button, comments, descriptions, and other interface elements. The safest areas are usually near the top or slightly toward the center of the screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more editing tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.